N8N YouTube Upload. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and type in N8N.io. On the top right of the screen, click Get Started. Enter your full name, company email, confirm your email address, set your password, and create your account name. When all fields are completed, click Start Trial. After logging in, click Start from Scratch to open the workspace. In the workspace, click the plus icon to add a step to your project. In the search bar, type YouTube, then click it. Search again for Upload and select the option Upload a Video. Click to open the Credential Connect with section. Fill in your Google API credentials by entering your client ID and client secret. Then, sign into the Google account that is connected to your YouTube channel. Next, enter a title for your video in the title field. Select your region code based on where the video will be published. After completing, return to the main workflow view. Finally, click the Execute Workflow button to start the upload process.